Hello guys, welcome back to another reaction video here on Our Eyes Your Eyes. I'm ready to watch episode 19 of the Full Metal Alchemist Brotherhood, but before starting this video I just want to remind you to subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell and follow me in this long adventure dedicated to Full Metal Alchemist. Okay, last time it was an incredible episode. I was so happy. Can you see in this anime you're happy and then you're sad, happy, sad. Let's see what's going to happen in this episode. Are you ready guys to watch it? Let's watch it together. Oh no. Huh? Yeah, because he understands the situation. Yeah. Oh, be careful, Elizabeth, please. No. No. Wow. Thank God. He can regenerate. Please, someone can come. Oh, please. Oh, who did that? Oh, Mustang! Good job! Oh. To save you. He expected a thank you. Ah, okay. Go, go. Ah, okay, that's all. Yeah, come with us all. It's a homunculus. Come on, Al. Yes! Yes, he had. Yeah. No, it exists. Exactly. Good job, Al. Tell them everything. Yeah. Exactly. It would be hard to defeat them. You have to find a way through alchemy, probably. Oh, come on, wait! Oh, really? My meat. I don't think it will be too easy. Be careful because there are even the others coming, maybe. Oh, I told you! Oh, Lost is here. Oh, the girlfriend! The girlfriend! Ma che Solaris! Don't look at somewhere else. Ah, Yokata. Yes. Ah, ooh! because she's regenerating. Yeah. Yeah. Ugh. What? Oh, oh, oh! Of course. No, Mustang, be careful. Ah, because he's the flame alchemist, so he can. Yes. Oh, where are you? Everything is convenient. Ah! Kaminari? No. Okay. Oh! That was good. No, John! John! No! Ah, come on! Oh no! Whoa. I know it's pointless, but maybe. Oh, there's another play. Oh, good job! Wow, that was great! Ooh! Now, can they give the Philosopher's Stone to Edward? No, don't tell me! Oh! No, I can't! Go, go, go! No! Bradley! Oh, no! This will be a oh, maybe now he's going to discover, Mustang is going to discover about him. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, please, where are you? Oh! No, 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 no. No! As much as they did it with greed, no! Just... No, don't be negative. Don't think something like this. No. Uh, ooh! Star 66? No! No, John and Mustang, no, 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 no. But they are not dead. No, I don't want to believe this. No, no. No, it's pointless, Elizabeth. human too, you were a human being too. Be ready, Lost. Eh? No! No, no, no. Oh, no! Oh! No, absolutely no. No! No! Let him do this. Oh, Mustang! Tell me that it's Mustang. Oh, yes! 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 Oh, yes! Yes, yes! That's great! Mustang! Ooh! Itayo! But, oh, something amazing! Whoa! But this is something unbelievable! But yeah, what about the Philosopher's Stone over there? Ooh. But now Bradley's coming. Oh! 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 What's that? Oh! Look at it. Yeah, he is cool. But now Bradley's coming. Be careful, Mustang Beast. Wow! No! Oh, Mustang, good job. Yeah, he was great too. Oh, poor John. Okay, good. For the moment, it's good. Like this. I love all so much. He's so cute. Oh! No, why? No! No, don't! He did it by himself. He did it by himself. Papa! The father! No, I was not ready now! Now, no! No! Now, this episode was incredible. Every time I say stuff like this, but in this case, I can't say anything else rather than it was an incredible episode. Elizabeth, oh, I'm so happy she was saved because I was scared. As I told you in the previous episode, I was scared as much as I was scared for Ross, and I'm so happy she's still alive and she's Genki. I mean, she's fine. Okay, thank you so much. Point number one. Number two, all good job, because in the previous episodes he was reluctant a little bit. I mean, he didn't want to do something in particular, or if he did it, nothing could change. But this time, in this episode, he proved us that he can save others, that he is able to do this. So he has to be more self-confident, and he has to think that he can save others. Even if in the past that this didn't happen, that doesn't mean that it can't happen in the future too, or in the present. And by saving Elizabeth, he made it. I'm so happy. Look, I really like Al, because he is so underestimated. That's wrong. It's underrated too. I think that's wrong, because Al can become really strong. And it's not just because he wants to protect his brother, but because he wants to protect other people in general. And in the past, he suffered a lot too, not just because of his condition, personal condition, but because he lost nice people, because he was not able to save them. But the fact that he could manage all this and he was not afraid in front of the enemy, that was amazing. I really stand him, and I really support Al in everything he's doing. His self-confidence is coming more and more, and his skills too. He has a great development as a character, and I'm so happy. I can't wait to see what's going to happen next. But look, wow, this episode was stunning. I was not stopping from doing because how can you not do something like this? I don't know. Plus, number three, Mustang. Wow, he's so cool. I was so afraid because I saw John and Mustang himself in that condition. I thought, no way. Now that Mustang is revealing himself as a great character, and after all he did for Ross, I was afraid to lose him, for real. John, I hope he can be saved. Please tell me that he can be saved and he will be okay. Anyway, Mustang was incredible when he defeated Lust. That was amazing to watch. That battle was crazy, was amazing, and it was well animated, because I felt it all. So thank you so much, because I really felt it, for real. Then there is Lost, who lost her life. And yeah, she was a human being, and she told Mustang and John about this Philosopher's Stone. Look, I don't remember, did we know this already? Because I was surprised. Maybe I forgot that detail, but the Philosopher's Stone is inside each homunculus, but when they are defeated, it disappears. Otherwise, I would have thought, okay, we take this Philosopher's Stone and we give it to Edward and the problem is solved, okay? But no, in this case, it's disappearing as soon as you defeat the enemy. Wow, I didn't expect this, but at the same time, I should have predicted this, because otherwise it's too easy to go on with the story, and we still have to watch 40 episodes, so of course it was not so simple, yeah. And that means Bradley has a Philosopher's Stone too, and all the others, Gluttony and Greed had it, and even the other one with the long hair, sorry, like this, I don't remember his name right now, but you know what I mean. Plus, we saw Bradley coming, and suddenly I thought, okay, now Mustang is going to discover that Bradley is wrong. I mean, he's the bad guy, he's the villain, but no, not yet. I think this episode will come later, for sure, and that episode will be incredible too. But I can't wait for that moment, because we are about to see probably Mustang versus Bradley before even seeing Edward versus Bradley, or they will be all together versus him. I don't know what's going to happen, for sure. I really liked even 66, Mr. 66, when he said, look, I joined them because I wanted to smash you. I mean, I wanted to kill you. That was good, because it was thanks to them that he lost his body and he became an experiment. Definitely, he wanted his own revenge too. But guys, at the end of the episode, now we see Hohenheim. That means Edward's papa. I can't believe it. Oh, no way. I was expecting this moment to happen or to come, but I didn't imagine that now it's the time. I thought a little bit later, okay? Let's see what he has to say to Edward. I hope he's not the father. Do you know what I mean? Because he has the same beard somehow. Or don't tell me it's Edward's grandpa. It could be. But no, I can't wait to see what's going to happen now. I'm so excited. Thank you so much for recommending me this, because this is amazing. Last but not least, Winry. I love her too, because no matter what's happening, she still cares about Al and Edward, and she will never stop caring about them. This is amazing, because she's not just like a sister, she's like a mom somehow, most of the time. Especially when she said, oh, Kairi, Tadaima, and stuff like that. That was a beautiful scene. That means Al needs to understand that there will always be a person waiting for him. This story is incredible. Okay guys, I think for this episode that is it. Hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned because next Wednesday episode 20 is coming. Can't wait to watch it together with you. In the meantime, subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Bye guys, see you in the next video. Bye.